Hey everyone, I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools. Here's a quick recap of tonight's special called Board of Education meeting, all in the name of Stoner Creek Elementary and getting their rebuild project going following the March 2020 tornado. Now, there were unanimous approvals for two motions tonight. The first was to accept the low bid from construction company R.G. Anderson for the actual Stoner Creek rebuild project. Now, that is contingent on all agreed contracts and documents that would need to be signed, but a huge step nonetheless in getting Stoner Creek rebuilt. Now, the projected target date for completion on this project would be by the end of next September, so September 30th, 2022. That's the goal. Now, the estimated price tag for this project and the inclusions that were approved through the base bid would be in the neighborhood of around $30.2 million. With a square footage of just over 98,600 feet, or square feet, I should say, the new Stoner Creek structure would be able to house approximately 1,000 students. And Stoner Creek Principal Amanda Smith in attendance tonight. She's obviously very happy about tonight's action. Caught her smiling really big when this meeting was adjourned. I want to reiterate again that this would officially become a done deal when all contracts and documents are agreed upon and signed, but the bid was approved, so great news there. But wait, there's more. That's right. Director of Schools, Mr. Jeff Luttrell, asked a blessing from the board to explore the possibilities of moving incoming Bobcat Village portables from the proposed Stoner Creek's rebuild site to the adjacent parking lot of the West Wing that they are utilizing now. Now, the first wave of those portable units are expected to arrive within the next week or so. Now, the reason was based on valuable feedback from Stoner Creek administration on the flow of their day. They've been in school for a few days now, so they know their school the best and they know what works out best for them. So the board did give Mr. Luttrell, granted that approval for him to explore the possibility of perhaps moving Bobcat Village to that adjacent parking lot next to the West Wing on West Wilson's site right now. Now, they would still utilize the gym area and those sorts of things, but moving those portables from possibly Stoner Creek's rebuild site to the adjacent parking lot. Again, nothing set in stone. We'll update you more about that for you Stoner Creek families as time goes along. Mr. Luttrell will report back to the board on what he finds out on that proposal, on that suggestion tonight to explore that possibility. So, all in all, a great night of momentum for Stoner Creek as they are one step closer to getting into their brand new home. So we're excited for that. That's all the business from the ATC tonight. Again, the special call meeting agenda was very, very short, and it simply just addressed those items of project rebuild, bid approval for Stoner Creek Elementary. So that has been done. Again, contingent on all documents and contracts being signed. That should be coming very, very soon. We'll provide more updates on that as needed. All right, folks, have a great rest of the night. Have a great day on your Wednesday coming up tomorrow. That's going to do it from here. I'm Bart Barker for Wilson County Schools.